We are 5 days away from Christmas, and most of us are prepping for something holiday related. It might be a house full of guests. Now, I hate to add anything to your to-do list, but keep in mind, 51% of adults in Texas have at least one chronic health condition, like diabetes or heart disease. We spoke to Melissa Petches, a health coach with Teladoc Health, about ways to make those guests feel comfortable.
Offer a variety in your holiday appetizers. So, for example, if you're serving a dip, don't just accompany it with crackers and chips. Maybe also incorporate diabetes friendly options, such as maybe snap peas, bell pepper slices, or even celery sticks.
Petches says it's also important to cultivate a supportive environment for your guests. So try to avoid centering the gathering around food and instead focus on being social with games, videos, and other holiday activities. She also encourages hosts to be patient and flexible. Chronic conditions are a full-time job for people, and a holiday is just like any other day for disease management.
As for input prior to their visit. Whether it's a special accommodation relating to mobility, maybe they need to sleep somewhere where there aren't any stairs, an emergency plan, groceries, or medication that you can have on hand. Talk about it up front so there's a comfortability before they are in your home. Encourage them to do what they need to do, when and how they need to do it. Plan activities that your guests can also participate in comfortably. Check in if there are any limitations or any modifications needed for certain activities. So be open to adjusting your plans based on your guests' energy level and their preferences.
But this is not a one-way street. Petcha says if you have a chronic health condition, be sure to remember your why. Your health goals are not seasonal. Being mindful of that helps you make the best choices. Remember to hydrate ahead of your gathering and don't plant yourself next to the food. It leads to mindless eating.
Biggest tip, don't skip meals. Skipping meals so that you can indulge at the party can lead to making somewhat irrational decisions around food and then maybe overeating later on. So instead, stick with your normal eating routine. Know that you may still splurge a little bit at the event. And also be sure to have a healthy snack before you actually go to the party so you don't show up hungry. Make a dish that you can enjoy. Always offer to bring a dish to these events. This is your opportunity to bring what works for you so that there's a nutritious option that you know you can enjoy.
Can't do it alone? Virtual health coaches are changing the way people receive essential health care, leading to better health outcomes and lower costs. You can visit teladochealth.com to find out more information and get started.